Are you looking for the best slow motion cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. GoPro Hero 10 Black. The GoPro Hero 10 Black should be your top choice if you need a slow-mo camera for traveling. GoPro has been a leader in action cameras for many years, and their Hero 10 Black has been a great companion for people on the go because of how powerful and portable it is. You'll even get to bring it with you when you're swimming because it's waterproof up to 33 feet. The camera can shoot up to 5.3K at 60 frames per second for videos and 23 megapixels for pictures. For slow motion footage, you can shoot slow motion footage in 2.7K at 240 frames per second. It can also film videos in 4K, but the maximum frame rate you get with the resolution is 120 frames per second. GoPros used to be laggy back in the day, but the Hero 10's new GP2 engine makes the camera faster and more responsive. When you use the camera for action-packed videos, you might assume you will get a shaky video. Thankfully, the Hero 10 has Hypersmooth 4.0, giving you a smoother and more stabilized video. The camera also improved in its horizon leveling and low-light performance. We know bringing a camera will make getting the content to your socials more complicated, but users can quickly transfer their videos or photos to their smartphones using GoPro's Quick app. The camera can also be used as a webcam with 1080p resolution. Customers can buy the Hero 10 only, or you can go for bundles with either a dual battery charger or a microSD card. Number 2. Nikon D6. Probably the best slow-mo camera Nikon has to offer is their FX format D6 digital SLR camera. The D6 has a 20.8 MP FX CMOS sensor and an incredible AF system, which is 105 point fully selectable, triple density, and has an all-cross-type sensor. You can easily focus on any part of the frame without the need for any recomposition. The maximum resolution you get from the camera is 4K UHD at 30 frames per second, but you can get up to 60 frames per second at the FHD resolution. The camera is susceptible in low-light conditions, so you'll still be able to capture amazing slow-mo footage even with bad lighting. The D6 has a reliable mechanical shutter that works well with high-speed shooting up to 14 frames per second. This camera is meant to be used in a professional setting, and you'll find its gigabit Ethernet port to be useful for fast transfers of footage to a computer while at a photo shoot. The D6 might be heavy, but its magnesium alloy construction and pro-grade weather sealing make it a reliable camera for touch conditions. The camera's buttons in the back can be illuminated, so you won't have difficulty capturing photos or videos at night. You also won't need to worry about theft because the D6 is compatible with a Kensington anti-theft lock. Number 3. Canon EOS 90D. The Canon EOS 90D is an excellent choice for people who need a versatile camera that can shoot different types of content on the go. This DSLR camera can capture breathtaking slow-mo footage at 120 frames per second with a full HD resolution. You can expect incredible detail with its 32.5 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor, and it can do high-speed shooting until up to 10 frames per second. The camera will also be fast and responsive because of its powerful Digic 8 image processor. Focusing on subjects won't be an issue since the 90D comes with a 45-point all-cross-type AF system. The camera's EOS intelligent tracking and recognition system can automatically detect and track people's faces, so you always get the perfect shot. You also get up to 5,481 manually selectable AF points, so you can focus on different parts of your subject, no matter how complicated it may be. You can easily view your subjects through its optical viewfinder with minimal lag time and glare. You can quickly get stunning photos during fast-paced moments since it has a mechanical/electronic first curtain shutter that can go as fast as 1/8000 of a second. The 90D comes with 2 multi-controller buttons at the back, so using your customizable camera functions will be easy. Users can easily transfer photos and videos from the camera to their phones since it has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making it easy to connect to the Camera Connect app.